In this video, I'll show you how you can restore your Trust Wallet if you've gotten a new phone and you want to get your wallet from your old phone onto your new one. So this is really easy and all you need is your 12-word phrase. So on your old phone, you want to go to Settings, once you're on your Trust Wallet, and then go to Wallets, and then go to the only wallet which will probably be on there, and then click on the three dots, and then go ahead and show your recovery phrase. Now you might have already made a note of this before, but you do need this recovery phrase to put onto your new phone so you can restore your wallet. Without the recovery phrase, you won't be able to restore your wallet and you won't be able to use it on your new phone. So go ahead and click continue here. It should then show you your 12-word recovery phrase, which you can then copy. Then you need to go and open up your new phone and download Trust Wallet. Once you've downloaded it and opened it for the first time, then go ahead and click on I already have a wallet, then go to Multicoin Wallet, and then paste in that 12-word recovery phrase, and then click on import. Once you've done that, it will then import your exact same wallet onto your new phone, and you can see there it is.